The information in the $5 Start Line series is for educational purposes only. It is not legal, financial, or investment advice. Always consult a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. Hey everyone, welcome back to the $5 Investor. This is episode 2 of my series, the $5 Start Line. Last episode, we talked about crossing that line, taking that single $5 bill and deciding to start. But today, I want to talk about what happens the moment after you take action. Because let's be honest, when you put $5 into the market, nobody rolls out a red carpet. Your phone doesn't start buzzing, and your bank account doesn't magically grow overnight. It looks completely ordinary. And that is exactly where most people give up. They give up because we live in a world that says if it doesn't happen fast, and if it doesn't look loud, it's not working. But real wealth, real foundation, it works in the quiet. Think about a seed. When you put a seed in the dirt, you don't wake up the next morning and dig it up just to see if it's growing. If you keep digging it up, you kill it. You have to leave it alone. You have to trust the process. That $5 you automated last week is your seed. Your only job right now is consistency. When that next paycheck hits, another $5 moves. When the weeks turn into months, it keeps moving. You aren't watching the daily stock charts. You aren't stressing over the news. You are just building the habit. Because once you master the habit of consistency with $5, you've conquered the hardest part of the entire game. The dollar amount can always grow later, but the discipline has to start right now. In our next episode, we are going to talk about exactly where that seed goes and how fractional pieces turn into real ownership. So keep that momentum going, stay consistent, and I'll see you in episode 3.